Learn how to draw manga anime eyes and get hairstyle ideas. Are you looking to improve your drawing skills and learn how to create stunning eyes and hairstyles? Look no further than learn how to draw eyes, theory and step by step, and get hairstyle ideas, a comprehensive video course taught by renowned graphic designer Martina Lederman. In this course, you'll gain a deep understanding of the importance of eyes in society and history, as well as the anatomy of the eye. You'll also receive step-by-step instructions for drawing eyes, as well as ideas for creating unique hairstyles. But that's not all. This course is offered at an unbeatable price of just €8.99, making it accessible to everyone. And, as the founder of the video course portal, Martina Lederman is the perfect teacher to guide you through your artistic journey. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your skills and unleash your creativity. Sign up for Learn How to Draw Eyes, Theory and Step by Step, and get hairstyle ideas today. You receive a certificate after you have finished this course, min 60%. Boni, you receive bonus Photoshop chibi hair, braid, and manga eyes brushes. Unlock the course and your bonus now.